Okay. Another helpful tidbit about Xactimate. I know a lot of you, may have the program close on you, or something may happen. Maybe your computer dies on you, or the program freezes up. Whatever the case is, there is a feature that is set up in here called AutoSave. What it will do is it will auto-save your projects at a specified interval. So that way, if you do have issues, it will save your work back to that particular interval. So whether it be 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, whatever the case is. So if you actually come in here and you open up Xactimate and you're at the very main section, main window, you'll notice the second one in on the top here on this control center is called Preferences. If we go ahead and we click on that, and you make sure that this is selected for Profile, you'll see that there is a autosave interval minutes. 0 equals off. Most of them, I think, are defaulted to 5 minutes, but you can go ahead and you can change this down to whatever interval that you want. If you want it to save every 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever the case is, you can go ahead and do that. If we come in here and we change this, you will notice that it changes for each specific profile. So the ones you use the most, you're going to want to make sure you come in here and you change that autosave interval. Another important factor about this as well is this will not kick off. It will not continue to autosave unless you've already saved once when you open up the estimate. So what I usually kind of recommend is open up the estimate, go ahead and give it a quick save before you do anything, and then it will begin that autosave. That way, if you do lose the estimate 30 minutes in, you don't lose all 30 minutes of your work. If you have it set to 5 minutes, you'll only lose the last 5 minutes of work, or whatever the case is, 3, 2 minutes, whatever you want. So just keep in mind, you have to be under profile. You have to do it under each individual profile, and then you can set it to whatever you want. Obviously, make sure it's not set to 0, because that means that it's off. This will also help you when you're working in Xactimate so that you don't lose anything, if something were to happen with the program, the network, whatever the case is. So hopefully that helps you out. If you have any questions, you can always reach out. Thanks.